welcome to Terrace Lego and Brick Build. And today, I'll show you how to make a giant button for Stress Relief. You just click, you can use any pop buttons. Just like, let's get started. Now, you should start off with an 8x8 plate as your base. And you will want to build some walls around 4 bricks tall, just around the whole thing. So it should look like this. Your base may be different though. Then you want one of these 2x2 cylinder pieces with a 3-stud long axle going through the bottom and a spring here. Sorry about what just happened to it, not from the button. But then you should connect it here. And then you build your button, which will have an opening here. You don't really need to do that though. But your button will have 2 bricks tall with 2 plates. 2 plates here and tiles just to smooth it out. It just slides in here, and assuming you done it correctly, you got yourself a button. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. Bye!